What's up guys, welcome back to the vlog. Got a couple things to do today. It's 2 weeks away from Motorama, so we're gonna run some errands, meet up with Mike, head over to the shop, have to get caught up on some things, so let's go. Still a little snow on the ground. It's about 37 degrees, but the wind's not too bad, at least right now. Now my luck, as soon as I go to get out of the car, the wind will pick up and then this vlog will be ruined just with wind noise. But got the cars out, still little patches of snow on the ground, but roads are pretty dry, clear. We've had about 2 days of, I would say, a little above freezing, so at least everything's kind of dried out for the most part. So, you know, just had to get the cars out today, had to get the photos done. It's supposed to snow again tomorrow, which sucks, so we're kind of running out of time for some Motorama prep with posters and pictures and stuff like that. So, meeting up with Mike and Dan, you guys know them, so hopefully Ben will come out too, get 2 photographers. So, gonna meet at the shop, get some photos, get Mike's 570 out as well. Like I said, the weather just isn't looking good the next couple days, so today's the only day we can do it, but the weather has played well the past few days. So, last day of hope for us, get the car out. Look here, frost. Whether you can see that or not on there, just zoom in. Oh, no, you're not gonna be able to see it. There it is, frost. So, again, you know, it's, we'll see. We'll see if it warms up a little bit. I doubt it. It's a little past the afternoon, so. What's up, Dan?
What's up, man?
Everything's a lot different since I've been here, but we'll stop right here. I need to borrow this truck. If you're the owner of this truck, now I could just ask Shane, but I need to borrow this to see if it fits in the garage. I know Mike did a little snippet on his channel with his truck that he has as loaner to see if it should fit, because I think they're both the same size or close to it, but I need to borrow this. But would you look at the wrap on it? I think this is the same as Shane's Mustang wrap, and the cool touch right here is doing the emblem. I think that's pretty cool. Now I will say it needs the upgraded, the HIDs with the xenon headlights, but it's still a good looking truck. Now let me know what you guys think. I think maybe some like red accents or maybe like a blue pinstripe or something on some of the spots would be kind of cool just to accent it. I also think these fender flares in gloss black would be pretty cool. You know, something to think about. Got the giveaway Corvette. The other Corvette that's been here, you guys all know that. Shane's Mustang that used to have that wrap on it. Look at it, just sitting there. The motorcycle, you guys have all been asking about that. The paint corrected motorcycle all back together. All my stuff has been moved over here. It's just a nightmare in here right now trying to get ready for Motorama. It's just crazy, but you see behind me, DHR Street Speeds, satin, wrapped 1LE Camaro, which is pretty sweet. He's the one who has the ACR Viper. But that thing looks wicked in the satin. I mean, wicked. It's a hell of a car. I mean, Nick's ZL1 is pretty sweet, but these 1LEs, man, when you see them with all the aero on it and all the canards on it, and it's a crazy car. Saw this Corvette on Mike's channel. This one's cool. This one's wrapped to be like McLaren's Volcano Yellow. You guys can see that sparkle in there. And it was done a 2-piece wrap. So what it was it was a base yellow, and I helped Shane pick this. It was a base yellow that we were trying to find, and then it's a laminate on top with all the sparkle in it, and it looks damn good. I mean, damn good. What do you guys think? You can kind of see a little bit of the pearlescence in there. Definitely better than the flat GM yellow, that's for sure. You have infamous ACR, which, look at it with the splitter on there. Just look at that thing. It is just a hell of a car. some more tables. So a little bit of a shop update. Again, I haven't even been here, so this is kind of all new to me. I've been just swamped with stuff. It's winter. Detail lab's a little slower for me. I don't really schedule much in the winter. I kind of do things here and there, but just a little shop update. We have Motorama coming up. That's what we're here for. We're waiting for Captain Late to get here. Mike's always late, as you guys know, but we're gonna do some posters. Dan's here, Ben's coming as well. So we're gonna take the cars across the street, get some photos for some posters, and we will hopefully see you guys at Motorama. I believe it is Saturday the 17th and Sunday the 18th of February, so about 2 weeks away. Don't quote me on those exact dates, but it's either the 17th or 18th and 19th, Saturday, Sunday. So if you guys can make it out to Harrisburg, PA, we will all be there. I know I'm a broken record stating this because everybody said it. Nick, Mike, everybody's saying we're gonna be there. So hopefully you guys can come out and say hi, hang out with us, check out some of these cars that are here. Most of them are going to be here, and if not, you know, you'll definitely see some cars that you've seen before on the channel. So come on out. We'll just wait for Mike to get here and see you guys out taking photos. Look at this turd Ferguson. It's a pretty good spot, fellas.
That is nice.
Not bad.
That is nice. Well played.
Ben and I always drive by here. We're like, yeah, this would be a good place to shoot, and it's been like a year, and we just keep driving by all the time, going to the shop. Yeah, that's the real question. How long until we get kicked out? Yeah. It's big animal nutrition, I believe is what do we say? Animal nutrition? I've never seen like trains coming in and out of this. I don't know, like there's train tracks. I've never seen like a train cross here ever.
Yeah, neither have I.
Like ever, dude.
For a photographer, it's not funny.
I have no idea. Like I said, I've never seen anybody use this at all. So we'll see how long until we get the boot. But you know, hey, what do you guys think?
And then the next thing you know, dog food's freaking sales increase 100%.
We're all like, where'd Mike go? And it's like, next thing you know, he comes out from up there and he's just like, hey!
Pedigree hits a freaking best month ever in sales.
Yeah.
Is that the kind of style you want right there, like that?
I think that would. I think that's cool. You got the bright, like the white contrasting against the the rustic train car, and then you got Mike's like orange, that contrasts in its own way. I don't know.
Yeah.
You two are the photogs.
It's freezing.
Dude, it is so cold, man.
It's freezing.
And here you see
and it wasn't when we were
here you see a natural vlogger in his habitat getting a photo.
Look at that pic on my iPhone 6, which sucks ass. My 6. Troy has a what? The 10?
The 19.4. Yeah.
Dude.
Well, I'm a tech guy.
I need to upgrade. I really need to upgrade.
What did he?
I also need a jacket.
Well, he really makes. Well, me too. Do you like my color coordination though?
Yeah, the gold and black.
It's like a khaki. Even the khaki on the shoe.
I'm matching for once. I got gray.
Look, we do know what we're doing from time to time.
No, I don't.
I do not wear jeans.
Sweats.
Yeah, I do not wear jeans on weekends, man.
I guess I gotta get on like the scrunchy bottom.
No, dude. Yeah. Yeah, dude. Joggers,
Very
man.
comfortable. Very
dude,
comfortable.
The latest trend.
I think we're all wrapping up because it's
it is freezing.
it's like 20. It's gotta be at least like 25 out here. With the wind chill's gotta be 20.
It says 31.
No way. No way. This is 30. So we're gonna wrap up here, and I'm going to Chipotle to get some food. Give me a little rev ski. Make sure you have the active pen on. You know that now. Put it in track. Let me hear it. Oh yeah. Your GoPro.
Hey, when are you getting sport cats?
Your GoPro, dude, does not even pick that up at all.
Well, send me that clip then if you're a nice person.
All right, let's go. Now watch, she'll be right here. She's like a dog, look. There she is. What are you doing? Hey. Back at the house, guys, here. Real quick before this vlog ends, I did confirm Motorama is the 17th and 18th. I believe 9 a.m. it starts both days. But some of you guys might saw this on Instagram if you don't follow me, at Troy Sowers. Hats are in. I know they're nothing crazy, just regular snapbacks with the TS logo on there. I'm thinking of doing some with the Detail Lab logo, but I have this heather gray, black bill, and the black TS logo. on here, and then I have a full blackout version, so everything's all black with the black TS logo. If you head over to the website, www.shoptroysowers.com, you guys can pick one of them up and support me. That means a lot to me, it really does. But again, hopefully you guys can make it out to Motorama. It was freezing outside today, guys, so I apologize in advance for any wind noise, but hopefully you guys can make it out to Motorama. That is indoors, so you will not be freezing. We'd love to see you all there. Appreciate you guys watching. Click that red subscribe button. We'll see you on the next one.